Hello, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to Interior Decor Designs, your go-to resource for all things home decor and design. Today, we're diving deep into a topic many of you face: maximizing the potential of small apartments to look beautiful and spacious. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Let's be honest, limited square footage can feel daunting, but with the right strategies, you can create a space that's not only functional, but also visually stunning. We're going to tackle some key questions and provide actionable tips to help you transform your small apartment. Let's start by defining what small apartment decor truly entails. It's more than just filling a space with furniture. It's about strategic planning to optimize every inch. This involves selecting pieces that serve multiple purposes, utilizing vertical space effectively, and creating a cohesive design that prevents the space from feeling cluttered. It's about balance, functionality, and aesthetic appeal, all within a confined area. Effectively, it's the art of making a small space feel significantly larger and more comfortable through intelligent design choices. It's about creating an environment that reflects your style without sacrificing practicality. Now, you might wonder, why put in the effort? What are the benefits of meticulously decorating a small apartment? Firstly, it fosters a sense of order and tranquility. A well-organized small space can significantly reduce stress. Secondly, it can enhance functionality. By choosing the right furniture and storage solutions, you can streamline your daily routines. Thirdly, a thoughtfully designed small apartment can actually appear larger, creating an illusion of spaciousness. Lastly, it allows you to truly personalize your living area, reflecting your unique style and preferences. You get to be more intentional with every piece you bring in, leading to a curated and cohesive look that you might not achieve in a larger, less focused space. Ultimately, it's about creating a comfortable, efficient, and beautiful home regardless of size. How to decorate my small apartment to look spacious and beautiful? This is the core question, isn't it? How do you actually achieve that spacious and beautiful look? The key lies in strategic planning and execution. Start by decluttering ruthlessly. Every item should have a purpose. Next, utilize light colors on walls and large furniture pieces to reflect light and create an airy feel. Incorporate mirrors to visually expand the space. Choose multifunctional furniture like storage ottomans or sofa beds. Maximize vertical space with shelving and wall-mounted storage. Pay attention to scale. Smaller, streamlined furniture is generally better. Ensure good lighting, both natural and artificial. Define zones within the apartment to create a sense of order. Finally, add personal touches with artwork and plants, but keep it minimal. Remember, less is often more in a small space. What are the best ideas for beautiful small apartment decor? Let's dive into some specific ideas. These are practical, actionable tips you can implement immediately. 1. Vertical storage solutions. Instead of relying solely on floor space, think upwards. Wall-mounted shelves, floating cabinets, and tall bookcases not only provide storage, but also draw the eye vertically, creating the illusion of higher ceilings. When selecting these pieces, consider open shelving to keep the space visually light and ensure they are securely fastened to walls. Use them to display decorative items alongside practical storage, balancing functionality with aesthetics. Think about utilizing the often overlooked space above doorways or along the upper perimeter of walls for narrow shelving to store books or decorative items. 2. Mirrored walls or furniture. Mirrors are your best friend in a small apartment. They reflect both natural and artificial light, dramatically expanding the perceived size of a room. A large, strategically placed mirror opposite a window can double the visual space. Consider a full-length mirror on a wall to create depth, or mirrored furniture pieces like side tables or dressers. For a more subtle approach, mirrored backsplashes in the kitchen or mirrored cabinet doors can add a touch of sophistication while enhancing light reflection. 3. Multifunctional furniture. In a small apartment, every piece of furniture must earn its keep. Invest in items that serve multiple purposes. A storage ottoman can act as a coffee table, extra seating, and a storage unit. A sofa bed provides sleeping space for guests without requiring a dedicated guest room. A dining table that expands or folds away can adapt to your needs. Look for pieces with hidden storage compartments or integrated shelving. The key is to think creatively about how each item can maximize functionality. 4. Light color palette. The color palette of your small apartment significantly impacts its perceived size. Light, neutral colors like white, cream, light gray, or pastel shades reflect light and create an airy, open feel. Use these colors for walls, flooring, and large furniture items. You can add pops of color with accessories and textiles, but keep the overall palette light and cohesive. Consider painting your ceiling a shade lighter than your walls to make them appear higher. When adding color, do so with removable items like pillows or throws, so you can change the look without repainting. 5. Transparent furniture. Furniture made from transparent materials like acrylic or glass creates a sense of lightness and doesn't visually block the space. Acrylic chairs, glass coffee tables, or transparent shelving units allow light to pass through, making the room feel more spacious and less cluttered. These pieces add a modern, sophisticated touch while maintaining an open and airy feel. This style of furniture is especially useful in living rooms and dining areas, where visual openness is crucial. 6. Underbed storage. The space under your bed is a goldmine for storage in a small apartment. Utilize storage containers that fit snugly under the bed to maximize hidden storage. Choose containers with wheels for easy access. This keeps clutter out of sight and frees up valuable space in closets and drawers. Store out-of-season clothing, extra bedding, or rarely used items under the bed. Consider using vacuum-sealed bags to compress bulky items and maximize space. 7. Foldable or stackable furniture. Flexibility is key in a small apartment. Choose furniture that can be folded or stacked when not in use. Folding chairs, nesting, tables, and stackable stools provide extra seating or surface space when needed and can be easily stored away when not in use. These pieces are perfect for hosting guests or adapting to changing needs. Look for furniture with slim profiles that can be stored in narrow spaces. 8. Strategic lighting. Lighting can significantly impact the perceived size and ambiance of a room. Layer lighting with ambient task and accent lights to create depth and dimension. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination. Task lighting focuses on specific areas, and accent lighting highlights one decorative features. Use a combination of ceiling lights, lamps, and wall sconces to create a well-lit and inviting space. Consider using dimmer switches to control the intensity of light and create different moods. Natural light is also crucial, so keep windows unobstructed and use sheer curtains or blinds. 9. Minimalist decor. Embrace a minimalist approach to avoid clutter and create a sense of calm. Choose a few key pieces that make a statement rather than overwhelming the space with numerous small items. Focus on quality over quantity and select items that serve a purpose. Keep surfaces clear and organized, and avoid excessive decorations. This approach promotes a sense of spaciousness and tranquility. 10. Defined zones. Even in a small apartment, creating distinct zones helps to organize the space and make it feel more structured. Use rugs, furniture placement, or subtle color variations to define different areas, such as a living area, dining area, or workspace. This helps to create a sense of order and functionality. For instance, A rug can delineate a living area, while a different wall color or furniture arrangement can define a dining area. This makes the space feel more intentional and well-planned. By implementing these ideas, you can transform your small apartment into a stylish and functional living space. Decorating a small apartment requires thoughtful planning and strategic design choices. But with the right approach, you can create a beautiful and functional home that reflects your personal style. Remember, it's about maximizing every inch and creating an environment that feels spacious and comfortable. We hope these tips have provided you with valuable insights and inspiration. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Interior Decor Designs for more expert advice on home decor and design. Don't forget to leave a comment below sharing your own small apartment decor tips and experiences. We love hearing from you.